This is a quick demonstration of B&R's simple temperature rise calculator. When the page first loads, users will see a splash screen displaying features capabilities and a disclaimer. They can simply clear that to access the main calculator. The tool is based on the IEC standard, ensuring results are aligned with those guidelines. Users begin by entering customer and project details. This is purely for record keeping. In this example, customer 1 and enclosure ID 1 are entered. The scenario requires a stainless steel enclosure 600 mm wide mounted between two others exposed to sunlight, and housing 4 electronic devices at 30 watts each. These devices have a 75-degree temperature limit. A standard NI series stainless steel enclosure is selected. 600 high, 600 wide, and 300 deep. There's only one part number for that size. The enclosure will be wall-mounted vertically with no partitions. Ambient temperature is set to 3 degrees, and it's exposed to the sun. This results in an initial temperature rise of around 4 degrees. Next, the devices are added. They're named Item 1 with 4 devices at 30 watts each, and a standard 20% cable loss allowance applied. At this point, the total temperature exceeds the 75-degree limit, so a larger enclosure is required. Switching to 1000 by 600 by 300 mm brings the temperature down to 71 degrees within the acceptable range. Trying 800 by 600 by 300 mm causes the temperature to rise to 76 degrees. However, adding a sunshield can reduce it by around 4 degrees, just enough to bring it back into range. For extra safety, the larger enclosure is the recommended option. Once everything is configured, users accept the terms. The tool then provides a final temperature reading, in this case 71.4 degrees, and suggests ways to reduce it further if needed. Clicking Submit generates a summary which can be printed or saved as a PDF. Additional calculations using custom dimensions can also be run if needed. That's a quick overview of how to use B&R's temperature rise calculator.